is going on, guys? What is popping back again with another YouTube video? And today's video is going to be pretty damn fun. So today, right now, it is 2:58. And did you guys just hear that? I'm so scared. But right now, it is 2:58. I legit just woke up like 4 minutes ago. And I went until the devil's hour, 3 a.m. And today we are going to be doing Charlie Fidget Spinner Challenge. So, we got everything right there. We got the fidget spinner, we got the pieces of paper, and today's video is going to be so damn fun. I'm legit so tired, but it is 2:59 right now, so one more minute and it is the devil's hour. So we are going to be doing the Charlie Fidget Spinner Challenge. 5 likes and I'll do a part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. It's going to be another damn banger. It's going to be so damn fun. Sorry if I'm speaking really softly and quiet. It's because everybody's sleeping right now. And yeah, let's get into this challenge. Okay guys, we are going to do the challenge now. So, we got the fidget spinner right here. And we got the piece of paper. Yes, no, yes, no. We got a flashlight here. And right now it is currently 3 a.m. So let's do this challenge. I'm really scared. Here we go. Charlie, are you a spirit? No. And just saying, we are going to be using this side right here, not this side. Charlie, are you... Oh, there. In the middle. Charlie, are you there? Let's ask him again. No. Charlie, are you a kid? Yes. Charlie, are you an adult? Yes. How could he be a kid and an adult? It's really weird. Charlie, are you a teenager? No. Charlie, are you the color red? In the middle? Charlie, are you dead? In the middle again? What the hell? Oh, I'm so creeped out right now. Charlie, are you alive? Move back in the middle. What the? Did you guys hear that noise? And he said yes. I'm so creeped out right now. What was that? Nothing's here. I'm so creeped out right now. So Charlie said yes. This fidget feels a little bit weird now for some reason. What the hell? It's weird. What the? I did not mean to drop that, and I did for some reason. I'm so scared. What the heck? I'm flicking it, and it was like slowing it down. Feels a little bit weird, the fidget. Let's keep going. Charlie, am I dead? See what Charlie says. Let's hope not. I don't want to be dead. Come on, Charlie. Good. Charlie said no. Thank you, Charlie. Charlie, am I alive? Come on, Charlie. Am I alive? Yes. Oh, wait. Yes. He said no. I'm not alive. Oh, my God. I'm so scared. Charlie, Charlie, are you alive? What the? I'm so creeped out. Oh, he said no. So he's not alive. He must be dead. Let's see. Charlie, Charlie, are you dead? Did you guys hear that noise before? Oh man, I'm so creeped out. Wait, he said no. Oh my god. This fidget spinner might become haunted after this video. Charlie, Charlie, is this house haunted? Let's hope not. I don't want to be living in a haunted house. No. Thank you, Charlie. Charlie, is your house haunted? Yes. It was the opposite for me. So his house is haunted. Charlie, Charlie, do you have parents? Yes, he does have parents. Charlie, Charlie, are you a spirit? Let's ask him again. See what he says. What? Oh my god. What was that noise? Oh my god, is he a spirit? Yes. So I'm talking to a spirit right now. It's creepy as hell. I'm so scared right now, guys. I'm gonna end the video right here. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. 5 likes and I'll do a part 2. This challenge is insanely hard. It is so scary. So, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I am out. Peace.